Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let's see how to make quick and easy chicken stir fry with some leftover chicken. You can serve this with any rice or Indian bread or as a filling in rolls and sandwiches. If you have any leftover chicken, you can try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make quick stir fry chicken. Here I got some leftover chicken. Shred the chicken pieces into thin strips. Discard the bones and use the flesh part. Now let's keep this aside. Let's prep the veggies. This is one onion cut into thin slices. I've got orange and yellow bell pepper. Let's cut into thin strips. Cut green chilies into thin slices. Let's make a sauce for the stir fry. Add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of white vinegar, half a tablespoon of gochujang paste. You can alternate this with some red chili paste. Give a nice mix and set this aside. In a pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once it starts to splatter, add sliced onion. Onion should not turn brown, it should be crunchy, so fry it for a minute, that will be good enough. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this till the raw flavor goes away. Add the green chilies and the bell pepper and give it a quick toss. Do not cook the veggies, just toss them on a high flame. Add the shredded chicken and give it a quick stir. In this stage, check for some salt. Add salt if needed. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. Now give it a good mix. Add the sauce and give a good mix so that the mixture coats well with the chicken pieces. Finally, add some onion leaves and give a nice stir. It's really quick and simple stir fry recipe. You can make this in no time. It's so delicious and flavorful. You must try it. Post your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. For more such interesting videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.